never miss another video that we upload. Bye! Guys, today we are going to make a paper turkey because Thanksgiving is coming. So we have a body, a head, a face, a wattle, some legs, the arms, the feathers, and a hat for decoration. So let's get started. Okay, we are going to make the turkey now.
The other leg.
Okay?
One tiny drop. Sorry about that.
How are we doing, Yasme?
Good.
How about you, Siler?
Good. Just a little messing up. Just some small mess ups.
I'm making a turkey.
You making a turkey?
Yeah, with a
I
hand.
put one tiny dot. I don't know if it's gonna go. Okay, time for this. I'm just gonna put one dot there.
So we're just waiting for Yasme's turkey to dry up. Yay! Nice one, Yasme.
Thank you.
Okay, so I'm back and I'm gonna do it like this. And then I'm just gonna pluck my turkey straight on there. So, you stuck onto the thing! What?
Boop. He's stuck into the thing.
He's stuck onto the thing! What? That. Now I'm gonna put on the hat. There's me.
No.
Yay, my turkey is done now!
So, Yasme, your turkey's done. What are you gonna name your turkey?
Yasme.
Yasme, what are you gonna name your turkey?
I'm gonna name it Turkey Lou.
Turkey Lou.
Turkey's in the loo.
No, Zeller!
Yeah, it's funny.
Hi, Yase, how are you doing?
Hi,
Okay,
no,
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We're just gonna chit-chat here.
Yeah. Wait, you're not your leg.